Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you, step by step, through how to make an international bank transfer to Banco Agrícola in El Salvador. Following the right process helps you avoid errors, delays, or unexpected fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Collect the recipient's details. Ask your beneficiary for their full legal name as it appears on the account, their Banco Agrícola account number, the bank address, and the SWIFT/BIC code. For Banco Agrícola, the SWIFT is commonly CABI SV SS, but always confirm with the recipient's bank before sending. Step 2. Open your bank's international transfer page. Log into your online banking platform on your Windows PC. Go to International Transfers or Wire Transfers and select Send Money Abroad. Step 3. Enter the payment information. Fill in the recipient's full name, Banco Agrícola account number, bank address, and the SWIFT/BIC code. Choose the transfer currency, typically USD, since El Salvador uses US dollars as legal tender. Adding a reference note, like invoice payment or family support, helps the recipient identify the transfer. Step 4. Review fees and delivery time. International wires may include charges from both your bank and any intermediary banks. Check the summary carefully, compare exchange rates if you're sending from another currency, and ensure you're comfortable with the fees and timing before confirming. Step 5. Confirm and track the transfer. Submit the payment and save the confirmation number. Share this with your recipient so they can verify the transfer once funds arrive. Delivery usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's network and intermediaries involved. Quick tip: always double-check the SWIFT code and account number digit by digit. A small mistake can delay your transfer or cause it to bounce back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.